Interstate 80 in the Sierra Nevada closed late Saturday morning in both directions due to low visibility and numerous spinouts, Caltrans said, after being open to traffic for only a few hours following an overnight closure. At Colfax, 15 miles northeast of Auburn, and at State Line, eastbound and westbound traffic are being halted. Around 8 p.m. on Friday, the eastbound portion of the highway was first closed, and traffic was being turned around near Nyack, which is located about 20 miles west of Truckee. Big rigs were still being turned around in both directions because of traction concerns, according to Caltrans, even though drivers with chains were initially permitted to pass through once more on Saturday morning. Before midday, it was once more blocked due to poor visibility caused by a snowstorm. A big truck crashed and jackknifed on US 50, heading towards South Lake Tahoe on Friday night, but it was reopened just after midnight, according to Caltrans officials. On Saturday morning, the snow caused yet more problems in the Sierra Nevada, with Highway 88 closing between Silver Lake and Kirkwood due to the snow, and Highway 20 between Nevada City and Interstate 80 closing due to multiple vehicle spinouts, Caltrans tweeted. A winter storm warning remained in effect for Donner Summit Saturday and was set to